Now we are going to create advanced text effect. So first we have to add a solid and we have to add a text. So let's select the solid and change the color to black. Now I'm going to select the text. I'm going to change this to bold and I'm going to change my font to this one, Passion 1. Now let's double click and type the name. And now let's place this in the center of the project. Now if you notice guys, I changed this weight size to bold and I changed the font to Passion 1. But as you can see, it won't change. So if I double click, now it is changed, and if I click here unselect, so now as you can see, it is still unchanged. So we have to refresh this video editor and now it is changed. Now I'm going to place this in the center. Let's hide the assets and let's zoom in. Now I'm going to change transform to right here. Now I'm going to place this in the center of the project. Now guys, I'm going to also go to the 6th frame, select these two, split these two, press backspace to delete the end part, and now I'm going to select my text, go to the animate, and this time first I'm going to add an in animation. So let's add this in animation, select the graph, select the cubic, and now from this position I'm going to add a keyframe of size. Now let's go to the 6th frame. I am going to change the size to maybe 52,000, and I'm going to select this keyframe, and now I'm going to change this to cubic. And now we are done. Now back to the timeline, and now I am going to export this video. So let's export this, go to the assets. Now it is exporting. Now guys, I'm going to select these two. Let's press backspace to delete them. I'm going to add this video in the timeline, and let's delete all the empty tracks. Now I'm going to place my text video above this video. Now we have this text video and we have this video below the text video track. Now in order to achieve the advanced text effect, we have to select this video and we have to change its blend mode to multiply. And now if I play this video, now you can see guys, we have this text effect. So we can also change this to 2x, and now check this out.